Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Digit, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Digit, first, download the Digit app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to create your account. You will need to provide your email address and create a password. Afterward, link your bank account for Digit to analyze your spending habits. Digit uses bank-level encryption to secure your information. Next, set your savings goals by specifying what you want to save for. You can choose from options like an emergency fund, a vacation, or paying off debt. Digit will then suggest a monthly savings target based on your income and spending patterns. Review these recommendations and adjust them if necessary. Once your goals are set, Digit will automatically save small amounts from your account. These transfers usually happen after you receive any income. You can view your savings progress in the app's dashboard. If you need to access saved money, you can transfer it back to your bank account easily. Monitor your spending through the app, which categorizes your expenses automatically. This insight will help you identify and adjust any overspending areas. Utilize the notifications feature to stay updated on your savings and spending. Consider setting up rules for additional savings if you want to accelerate your progress. Remember to review your financial goals periodically to ensure they still align with your needs. Digit also offers insights and tips on optimizing your budget. Regularly check these resources to make the most of your budgeting experience. As you become more comfortable with budgeting, explore additional features within the app. By following these steps consistently, you'll build a strong financial foundation with Digit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.